Here's one we don't see every day, unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1956 Studebaker C-Cab short box, street rotted. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. Automatic to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front grille and bumper, painted to match. Studebaker insignia built right into the grille. Now, as far as paint, you can see paint shows its age up here in the hood some. Does have some checking, some crazing to it. A little older restoration on this vehicle. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Click on that link, that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Radial tires, Studebaker wheel covers. It's one of those trucks, if you want to drive it the way it is, it's set up to go. If you want to bring the paint to the next level, you can sure do that too. It does have a new carb, an alternator put on it, MSD ignition. There's an Alpine stereo system in the glove box, and you'll be able to check out all these things I'm mentioning in the still pictures. We will start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little spray in bed liner, black on the bottom, red on the sides. Dual exhaust coming out the rear. That is a true dual exhaust with headers. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pictures. You're going to see that the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as window tint goes. Truck is from California. That's where the restoration work was done. If you like Studebakers or maybe just into 50s classics, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see the paint has a nice shine on the driver and passenger side. It's just kind of more that hood than anything. Tilt column, aftermarket gauge cluster. White vinyl door panels that will match the seats, the red piping. Let's go ahead and fire this up. This has been a smooth runner every time I've started it up. Oh, small block Chev under there. You can see fuel gauge, oil pressure, the amp meter, water temp. That was a cold start. Down below, we have a clock, battery gauge. Vents for the AC and AC controls down here. And again, I mentioned there was an Alpine stereo system in the glove box. Speakers built into the kick panels. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust, just a nice little rumble. Alright, let's slip up here. I want to pop this hood open, so I'm going to pause it a second, get the hood open, we'll check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And hood open. Prop rod goes up in the hood itself, just so you're aware of that. Here it is. So as you can see, MSD ignition. You see the headers down there now. The headers, true dual exhaust, small block Chev, power steering, power brake boosters underneath. Nice Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. AC compressor over here. Smooth runner, sounds good. and one you won't see every day. It'll be a fun one. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Have some fun with it. 1956 Studebaker seat cap, short box. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1956 Studebaker pickup in bright red with some white and red and silver on the interior. It's kind of a metallic white interior. This is an automatic B&M shifter on the floor. Smooth running truck, starts right up and idles right away. Nice rumble coming out that exhaust. Our speedometer is working as it should. It says we're doing 39. I can't tell if that's exactly correct, but it is functioning. The fuel gauge reading 3/4 of a tank. Amp gauge is right in the middle. Our oil pressure is showing 50 pounds and the water temperature is just over 150. Still warming up most likely. We have AC right here below the dash, blowing cold. The windshield wipers work. Nice tight ratio steering on this truck. You don't have to move the wheel much. Very responsive. Good ride on the road. Old school bench seat is comfortable. I have just enough headroom. I'm 6'1". Brakes work. Brakes nice and straight. Studebaker truck is definitely one you haven't seen as much as you've seen Fords, Chevys, and even Dodges. From 56 to Studebaker, probably the only one you're going to see one at a time on the road. Corners nicely. Kickdown works good on that automatic transmission. But for a window crack and a piece of trim missing off the front window, this truck's ready to go. There is a radio in the dash from Alpine, and that works as it should. Fun cruiser. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Studebaker at uniqueclassiccars.com.